What is going on, guys? It's Vinci Media. Right here I got Aaron. You know. We're actually going to Andrews right now. We're gonna meet up and we're gonna head down to downtown, get a little photo shoot going, you know. I'll post them in the video too if it gets done. But you know, yeah. I also want to thank y'all for, you know, the channel's growth. 283 subscribers now. Y'all guys are so amazing. This is you know, as you can see, Aaron, you know, he's celebrating too. T-pose. And yes, this month my channel, last month and this month my channel has massively grown, in my opinion, you know, at the stage I'm at, kind of fast, you know. I think I'm growing, getting a little better at my videos for sure. Yep. I'm gonna have more shorts. You already know, every upload Monday and Friday. Hopefully they're not late, but Monday and Friday, every Monday and Friday at 5 p.m. Central Time. We just got done with the photo shoot in Dallas. Me and Aaron are actually heading up to an In-N-Out just to get some food. But it was a really nice photo shoot with Andrew. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, Vinci Media, it's the same as my YouTube. I'll be posting some photos soon. If you don't follow me on Instagram, TikTok, I don't know what you're doing, man, because I post my updates on there also. Yeah, currently I'm riding with no Insta360. I typically don't like it at night. The nighttime shots on the Insta360 is it's alright, not terrible, but just, you know, it doesn't have the same quality as a daytime ride, you know. So for now, any nighttime ride, I'm probably just going to be using just my GoPro and maybe some shots on my Canon, but that's only sometimes, because whenever I do B-rolls, I usually do them in a daytime ride, and we don't get as much light over here anymore because it's fucking winter time now, and basically, you know, I got work and all that, so by the time I get out, it's already dark. Which In-N-Out we going to? Oh, okay. Never mind. What? Oh man, that one video. Oh look, we got a biker in front. Oh, my ass. Oh, my fucking ass. Alright, I'll catch this vlog right after we eat because I'm very hungry. Alright, we just had some In-N-Out. And we're heading back to Carrollton, you know. It's going to be a short video for Friday's upload, but something to post. But I'll be back with you guys on a great Monday. A great Monday video. Yeah, I still don't got a Monday video planned out, but you know, we'll figure it out. Oh shit. Hauling ass. Car fucking hauling ass. XD. Damn! Slow down, slow down! Damn! I think it's a girl driving. Oh, it is. Oh, yeah. Alright. This is where we split. NordVPN. Alright, man. Alright, guys, this is gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and drop a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I post a lot of motovlogs every Monday and Friday at 5 p.m. and I also do YouTube shorts, so you know that's a plus too on the side. So I do like filming on the side. You already know. Smash that like button, please. It helps YouTube push my content out as a creator, and it helps me out so much. But thank you guys for 283 subs for now, and can't wait to see you guys get me to 300 subs. Alright, it's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.